Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the vehicle upgrade console blueprint, all materials, and an assembled base module with power. Place foundation pieces where you want the console to sit. This ensures stability and collision-free placement. Once done, open the build menu and select the upgrade console. Make sure your cursor snaps to the chosen foundation so the console will attach correctly. If the console won't snap, rotate placement or move the foundation slightly to resolve hidden collisions before proceeding to install. Now focus on precise positioning and powering. Rotate the console so the vehicle docks easily. You want at least 2 to 3 tiles of clearance in front for CMOTH or prawn access. Once aligned, place the console and run a power conduit from your base generator or battery bank. The console requires steady power to operate. Make sure wires don't cross doorways or obstruct passage, and test activation. If the console does not power, double-check connections and nearby power draw sources that could exceed output. Finish by powering the console and installing upgrade modules into the vehicle via the console interface. Dock your vehicle and open the console menu to verify upgrades appear and apply correctly. If the upgrade menu fails to show, first confirm the console has a valid power supply and that the vehicle is properly within the interaction zone. If placement blocks docking, move the console or extend the foundation outward. One key troubleshooting tip: intermittent issues often stem from slight overlap with other.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.